This video is about the dirt you've emotionally agreed not to see. Not daily cleaning, not weekly cleaning. I'm talking about the monthly tasks, the ones quietly ruining your home while you pretend everything is fine. Let's begin with the lie we all tell ourselves. If it's not visible, it's not dirty. Wrong, it's dirty. It's just sneaky. First, light switches and door handles. You touch these constantly, before food, after life. And yet somehow they've never seen a proper cleaning day in their entire career. If light switches could talk, they'd be begging for help. Next, remote controls. Every home has one remote that has seen things. It's sticky. No one knows why. Everyone keeps using it anyway. This is not judgment. This is a public service announcement. Now let's talk about the inside of your trash can. Not the bag, the can. You change the bag and think, problem solved. No, that smell is coming from the walls. The trash can has memory. Monthly cleaning exists because trash cans hold grudges. Next up, the fridge shelves. Not the food, the shelves. There is always one mystery drip. It's been there since last season. You don't know what it is. You don't ask questions. Clean it monthly so it doesn't evolve. Now, the microwave interior. You close the door and pretend it's fine. It is not fine. That splatter pattern is a historical document. Monthly cleaning prevents the microwave from becoming a crime scene. Let's move to baseboards. Ignored, disrespected, collecting dust like it's their full-time job. The second you clean them, your house immediately looks 40% richer, for no reason. Next, under furniture. Not behind it, under it. If you've never checked under your couch, congratulations, that's where time goes. You'll find crumbs, dust, and something you lost in 2019. Monthly cleaning under furniture keeps your home from becoming an archaeological site. Now we address bathroom fans. You forget they exist because they're above eye level, which is exactly how dust wins. That fan is supposed to remove moisture, not hoard lint like a dragon. Next, pillows. Not pillowcases, the pillows. They're working overtime. They deserve attention. Rotate them, refresh them. They've been supporting you through everything. Monthly care is the least you can do. Let's talk about the tops of things. The fridge, cabinets, tall shelves. Dust lives up there because it knows you won't look. It's smug about it. Clean monthly to humble the dust. Next, shower curtains and liners. They look innocent. They are not. Monthly cleaning prevents your bathroom from slowly becoming a rainforest. Now, reusable bags. You throw groceries in them. You throw them in your car. You never clean them. They've been through too much. Next, the front door area. Handles, door frame. This is the handshake of your home. Monthly cleaning here tells your house guests, yes, we are doing our best. Final task people ignore, the junk drawer. Not organizing it, just cleaning it. Remove crumbs, question your life choices, put everything back and close it quickly. That's the system. Here's the truth. Monthly cleaning isn't about perfection. It's about preventing small problems from becoming personality traits. If this helped, subscribe, because we are not letting dust emotionally manipulate us anymore. Like the video, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time when we clean something everyone is pretending doesn't exist.